Assalamualaikum. So today in this video I am going to do calligraphy painting. So let's start with the background. First of all, I am going to take my palette and then I am going to take out my blue color. Here I have taken out the blue color. Now I am taking out some of the white. Here we go. Now let's take out our brushes and then start painting the background. After damming our brush, now let's start mixing the colors. We don't have to mix too well for the background. Here I am mixing the paint, the colors by moving the brush right, left, up, down. Here I have mixed it as much as I need it. Now let's start painting the background. We need to add more water to apply it smoothly on canvas. As I have ran out of the color, so I needed to prepare the more of the mixed color. And now here I am painting the boundaries. And after painting the boundaries, our base background will be ready. Here I am taking a small container to prepare the liquid mix of the color. In this, our water concentration will be more than the actual paint. After placing the canvas somewhere to dry, I have taken out my palette again. So now let's start our next step. Taking out only a small amount of the green color and a small amount of white too. After taking out both of the colors, taking only small amount of both of the colors, I am going to add some of the water. Actually not some of the water, I have to add big amount of water as compared to the color concentration. Let's start mixing it well till all of the clusters of the colors are removed. After preparing the mix, let's move on to the next step. Now I am going to pour the liquid mixture on canvas like this, and then by using my hands I am going to make some sort of pattern on my canvas. Here I am taking some of the dark green and now I am going to mix it with water and then I am going to apply it in the same way on the canvas. Here I am using my flat brush to smudge it with the background. I have also added some of the patches of the dark green. By using my finger, I am also adding some of the white. Now I am taking some of the golden color and then mixing it with the green liquid mixture and then applying it on the canvas. As we have to smudge it with the background, so we don't need to add more concentration of the color, but we have to add more concentration of the water. In this step we are going to apply the mixture wherever we want. We don't need some sort of pattern to apply this type of mixture. Here is an advice or some sort of tip that you have to follow the hand movements and then your painting will be so well. In some places I have used a trick of applying the paint on the brush and then by twisting the brush and then removing the paint. You have to apply the golden paint wherever you think it is needed. I am also adding some of the white again because I think they should be white. After letting it dry, after completely drying my background, here I am using a white pencil. You can also use some sort of lead pencil or something else that can be removed from the canvas easily. I am calligraphing the alphabets, the elements I am going to paint. So basically here I am taking a rough idea of the sketch which I am going to paint on the canvas. This rough sketch is very important because it is going to help you in painting. Now I am taking my other palette in which I am going to take out my black color which we are going to use for our calligraphy. For calligraphy we are using the flat mini brush, small brush. Just follow my hand movements and you will know how to calligraph as the rough sketch will help you in calligraphy. For calligraphy you have to be steady and patient. Here you enjoy the time lapse of me doing calligraphy. After completing the painting work, now I'm going to varnish my painting. The final step, the varnishing, the most satisfying step of the painting. Final but not the initial step, I'm going to do signatures on the back of the canvas, and here is the final look of the canvas. That is for today's video. Hope you learned. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.